Hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Shelly. Danny. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video today. If you are a new viewer, hello, hi, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. And also turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified when I post new videos, of course. And of course, follow my social medias. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this braid out. Yes. I filmed a twist out video a couple months back and you guys really enjoyed it and it was beginner friendly. So that means this is going to be beginner friendly as well. So you will achieve that braid out. Yes, trust me. And also do not mind my nails, okay? I'm going through it. It's okay. I booked my appointment, so I don't want to hear it. Let's get right into this video.
Alright guys, so I just want to start off by showing you what I will be using for this hair tutorial today. I have my pre-poo section over here to the left, as well as my dimming brush, my clips, and my rat tail comb, and then my shampoo, my root rinse, and my deep conditioner, which is new by the way. Haven't used it yet ever in my life. And now here are my styling creams, and of course my shea butter, which I will be using as my oil today. So let's get started. Alright, so we are going to start off by pre-pooing, of course, with my aloe vera, my black castor oil, my peppermint oil, and water. I'm going to put my hair into 4 parts and then start my process by rubbing the product through my hair. And then, of course, afterwards, leaving that in to sit in for about 15 minutes. Let's do it. Okay, so now that the pre-poo is all rinsed out of my hair, it is time to deep condition. I'm leaving my hair in these 4 parts, guys. This keeps me organized. You know that this is my routine. After I put the deep conditioner in each part, I will then follow behind it with twist so that I can keep that moisture of the deep conditioner in there. And after that is done, I am leaving that deep conditioner in for, of course, 45 minutes, because we gotta have that deep conditioner setting in our hair now. Come on now, y'all know this. Finally time to style the hair. Of course, I'm showing you guys the products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the lock method. That means leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream. But instead, I use my leave-in conditioner first, my cream, and then I seal it with the oil. Here, you guys are going to see me melting the shea butter. That's how I get it to be oily, and I get to apply it in my hair. So, let's get into this tutorial. I'm parting my hair and leaving one side up, one side down so I can start from the back. And I'm making a smaller part so that I can start on my first braid. So, of course, lock method, leave-in conditioner goes first. Y'all know this. And then my cream goes after my leave-in conditioner. Just a small amount will be fine. Nothing too major, nothing too thick, guys. And then, of course, lastly, my oil. We're sealing all that moisture with the oil just to make sure that our hair is staying moisturized. Then we detangle, of course. Start off with a simple braid. Nothing too serious, nothing too major. Just a simple braid. Braid it all the way through. Make sure you are grasping the hair thoroughly. And of course, towards the end, we are going to curl and swirl to make sure we get that curl at the end. And yes, that is our final braid. So real quickly before we move on to the next step, I want to show you guys how to do it one more time. Taking my leave-in conditioner, putting that all throughout that piece of hair, making sure it is moisturized. Then I'm taking my curl enhancer smoothie and doing the same thing, putting that all throughout that piece, making sure it's getting fully saturated. Then of course sealing that moisture with some oil, some shea butter, detangling it, and proceeding with my braid. I don't know if you guys need a tutorial on how to braid. I'm pretty sure you know how to braid. I hope you know how to braid. But as you guys can see here, I'm just taking each piece, putting it under each other. Just a regular braid, y'all can see. And of course, towards the end of my braid, I will proceed to the curl and swirl just to make sure that I get some good definition at the end of my braid.
The next day.
Alright guys, it is finally time to take out these lovely braids. I'm getting my shea butter, moisturizing that through my fingers and getting that on my hair so that we can reduce frizz as much as we can. I know we are going for the Afro look, but it is okay. We don't want too much frizz. But here's the final product of that full braid out. Describe to you guys okay, I better be feeling the music. But yeah, I want to describe to you guys how exactly I separate these braids. I just go one by one each strand, making sure I get that shea butter saturated through each strand, just to make sure I'm keeping as much definition as I can. Okay guys, so I'm finally done taking out all those braids. Now I'm going to take my long metal pick, and fluff as much as I can, but not too much fluff, because it's only the first day of the fro. We can't have the first fro looking a little too fro-y, if you know what I'm saying. So we're just fluffing a little bit, you know what I'm saying, getting to the root. Don't start off on the ends now. Get to the root to make it look real big. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something new or picked up any new products that you may like, or any natural hair methods, anything of that sort. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it and support your girl. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video.